Well, hi there folks. Here we have a common old doorknob. It's unbranded, unfortunately. Just your common old office doorknob. Unlock it by pushing that, will pop out. Push that in and that pops out. Like so. So we'll lock it. Locked up, no keys for it. No keys for most of the locks I got. So, we'll just see how difficult it is to open that office door. Or maybe it's the door to the kitchen and you're hanging out for a coffee. Okay, I'm in to get me coffee. That's popped out, see, open. Well, there it is. That's pretty simple. Okay, thanks for watching that. Oh, and don't forget, take a wander over to uklocksport.co.uk if you've got a hanker to do a bit of lock manipulation. I'm sure you'll enjoy your time there. Okay, hooroo.